Hey, it's Leah, and today is March 11th, 2020. As we know, if you're here on this day, that you know coronavirus is hitting absolutely everywhere. So this is becoming such a pandemic that people are so worried. So they're shutting down businesses, the people are losing their jobs just over this virus that has hit all over the place. So one of the things is, they want you to kind of stay at home, don't go places, no traveling. They're shutting down any type of travel. It's absolutely crazy at what's going on right now. Now, one of the things that you should be working on is working from home or having that plan B for something like this. Doesn't matter if it's coronavirus or another virus or a pandemic of something else, or even if it's weather. So we got hurricanes and tornadoes and snow and all these crazy things that can happen when you just don't have any control of that. So one of the things today I wanted to show you how you can work from the comfort of your home and to be able to have that backup income. It doesn't matter if you do have a current job or if you're going to keep that job, but this is always a backup. I don't know how many times personally, you walk into a job and you do everything the same as any other day. You've been doing it for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years, who knows? But as soon as you come in today, everything is so different. And one of the things they do is they let you go and pat you on the back and give you your check and wish you a wonderful day. I don't know if you've ever had that experience, but I've had that multiple times. And one of the things I like doing is showing people how they can make money from the comfort of their home. So one of the things I want to show you today is called Power Lead System. Power Lead System will be linked down below. So all you have to do is just click on the link and watch this short video. So I'll just let this run for a moment and kind of show you what this looks like.
Video only revealing the huge potential for marketing this high demand product. The compensation you'll receive for referring customers is very substantial. For example, a Power Lead System customer only pays $30 per month and has 100% access to every amazing tool that we offer. As a Power Lead System affiliate, for every customer you refer, you're paid a hefty $20 commission over and over again, month after month, for as long as they remain a customer. And as an affiliate, you'll keep all of your referrals and never lose a commission, which means that every customer you refer goes directly frontline to you, which we call your pay line. Each pay.
How cool is that? So you could constantly be growing and growing, and you're also learning because this has free training. If we have training on Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday, you do it directly from your computer. There's all the commitment right here in this simple system. So there's so much to offer. One of the things I want to show you here is having your marketing tools for free. So refer 3 and your gold membership is free. So right here, it'll break it down, and all you need is 3. And that way you're an affiliate and you can start making an income. Your pay line is an unlimited width, so all you do is just make those pay lines and you're constantly getting paid. Now, one of the things with Power Lead System is the 50% matching bonus. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing. So as you grow your team and you grow that front line, you're also making a 50% matching bonus on the entire pay line. So that is all of your referrals. So there is another video that'll show you exactly how that is. So if somebody is doing $500 a month, you get 250 of that. If somebody's making $1,000 a month, you get 500. It's absolutely amazing, and I really want to show you how you can do that. Now with Power Lead System, you also have an opportunity to buy additional products, so additional learning. So right here, this one is the free ad secrets, and that's a purchase of a one-time $147, and you get paid over and over and over and over. There's no end to this product. So you get unlimited $100 on your frontline commissions, and anyone under you that makes that same sale is unlimited $25 overrides. Wow, that's just amazing to me. Right here is Social Profit Academy. So this is teaching you all about affiliate marketing, how to market online, how to even do a business online. So this is a one-time cost of $497, unlimited $400 on your frontline commissions and $50 overrides. Now, one of the big boys is Master Traffic Institute, teaching you so much information. This is a one-time purchase of $1,497. You get paid unlimited 1,000 frontline commissions and $200 overrides. So this could be a full-time income. Just one or two of these a month would allow you to have more income than most jobs that you're going to and slaving at over and over and doing every work for them where you're not doing anything for you. Again, my name is Leah Fike. I will go ahead and connect the video on the end of this one. If you have any questions, do reach out to me. I would love to help you out. Start getting paid for an income right at the comfort of your home. I'll see you on my next video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
The examples in this video are for illustration purposes only. The Power Lead system does not guarantee that you will make any money from your use or promotion of our products and services. Your success depends on your own work ethic and other factors that may or may not be mentioned in this video. Hey, it's Jeff here, and in this short video, I'll be revealing the huge earning potential for marketing this high-demand product. The compensation you'll receive for referring customers is very substantial. For example, a Power Lead System customer only pays $30 per month and has 100% access to every amazing tool that we offer. As a Power Lead System affiliate, for every customer you refer, you're paid a hefty $20 commission over and over again, month after month, for as long as they remain a customer. And as an affiliate, you'll keep all of your referrals and never lose a commission, which means that every customer you refer goes directly frontline to you, which we call your pay line, each paying you a $20 monthly residual commission. Refer just 3 customers, and not only is your monthly expense completely covered, you're actually now earning a net profit each and every month. Now here's where it gets even more exciting. For every one of your customers who decides to step up and cash in on this lucrative pay plan for themselves, you're going to make a staggering 50% match on each and every one of their referrals. Did you get that? So let me help you visualize just how powerful this really is. Suppose you sponsor me, and I was one of your customers who decided to step up and start marketing to make my own referrals. And let's say I grew my pay line to 50 people. At $20 per month per person, I'd be making $1,000 per month. But since you sponsored me, you'll make a 50% matching bonus. In other words, that's $500 in monthly residual income that you'd be making from my entire pay line. But it's not just my pay line. You'll make this same incredible 50% match on the entire pay line of every referral that you ever make. And that's powerful. Now, don't worry. If you don't quite understand how all this works, our powerful software does. It doesn't make any mistakes. In fact, it'll track all of your commissions for you with 100% accuracy. The last thing, but certainly not the least, is commissions are paid instantly every Wednesday all over the world. You can use your computer or you can use a smartphone to log in and transfer the money right to your bank account or directly right onto a Visa pay card.